Hello, I'm back with another unboxing video. This is for the Plan and Create box for July. This is the second month of my 3-month subscription. Don't plan to renew it just yet. I'm going to try out a couple of different planner boxes and see which one fits me the best. So, here we go. Okay, there's it's a postcard. It's pretty cool. Some little memo post-it type things. I like those. Gummy bears. Just pen. Pen that says Brazil. I don't know. No idea. Some washi tape. Some more washi tape. I'm guessing I'm seeing a travel theme here, so that's pretty cool. Can't tell what that is actually. Oh, it's ocean creatures, starfish, seahorses, stuff like that. Paper clips. Like I said, travel theme again. Some journal cards. These are stickers. And whatever this is. It says, here's your sneak peek of next month's craft. Tell us your guests. Alright, so this looks like bits of map. It's just paper. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Alrighty then.